Good morning from Lavender Lane Learning, and this morning again we are going to be learning about new things. We are going to be learning about shapes, and our first shape is a circle. Where you're sitting, I want you to take your finger and I want you to draw it all the way around your body. I want you to stand up, put your arms out, and I want you to turn around in a full circle and sit down. Let's have a look at what a circle shape looks like. Yes, you can see it's round and it has no sides. Where it begins, it ends. Let's have a look at some things that are a circle shape. The first one that we have is a clock. You can see the clock is round, and even the second stripe on the clock goes round and round and round and round and round and round and round. The next thing that we have is a CD disc, and it is round, and it's actually got two circles because it's got the little circle in the middle and it's got the big circle around, and we can see it is a circle shape. The next one is a plate. You can see it is round in shape. Make the circle with me. It's round in shape. The next one is a pizza. Oh, we all love to eat pizza. And it is also round in shape. The next one is a tennis ball. We know a tennis ball can bounce and bounce and bounce, and we can see it is round in shape. If it was square, it couldn't roll, but because it is round, it can roll. The next one is a wheel. We know that we found wheels on tricycles, on bicycles, on cars, and on trucks. The wheel goes round and round and round, and that is why a car is able to move forward. The next one is the planet Earth. The planet that we live on is called Earth, and it is round. The next one is a basketball. You all know how to bounce and bounce and bounce the ball. It is a circle shape. The next one is a button. We all have buttons on our dresses or on our shirts. Have a look at your button if you've got one, and feel round and round and round on that button. The next one is a speedometer. We know that when mommy or daddy are driving a car, when you're driving in a car, you can see that there is a speedometer there. The next one is an orange. We all enjoy eating oranges in the winter months, and it is also a circle shape. next one is a road sign. This is a road sign of a pedestrian, and we can see the round part there is a circle. Let's have a look at as you're driving in the car or as you're walking, see if you can see different road signs. The next one is the one that we enjoy the most, when we all make a circle and we join hands together and we sing and we dance together. That's when children really love to do playing games. The next one is our worksheet. It comes from TLS, and you can get it on, download it for yourself, but let's have a look at this worksheet. It says here, color the objects that are shaped like circles. Is a balloon a circle? Is a heart a circle? Is an orange a circle? Is a school bag a circle? Is the earth a circle? Is a kite a circle? Is a tambourine a circle? Is a box a circle? Is a ball of wool a circle? Is a baseball a circle? Is the sun a circle? And is a scale a circle? You'll have to decide what is a circle and color the things in. Enjoy your day, children, and enjoy your activity. Goodbye.